Insert, oh wait, Gotham is still a thing, joke right around here. So Gotham is surprisingly on its 4th season, and during San Diego Comic-Con they decided to show off a little trailer for it. Now for the most part, the actual trailer itself was more of a recap on what happened during the entirety of Season 3. But even with that being said, we actually get to see some footage of Season 4, which mostly consists of Bruce Wayne becoming a vigilante, which was something that was established in the last season. And we also get to see some clips of other things that are about to happen during Season 4. And the biggest surprise out of that trailer is that we're finally going to get the return of Jonathan Crane, who will officially take on the mantle of the Scarecrow, which was a long time coming considering that Jonathan Crane has not been seen ever since his episode way back in Season 1. And as a bonus, we get to see Jonathan Crane in his full Scarecrow costume, which is actually pretty interesting. And it sort of reminds me of Mr. Freeze in the sense that he has like a bulky outfit and also uses a specialised gun as part of his weaponry. And when we do get to see the close-up of his full mask, I just can't help but think that this looks a little too cheesy, and he doesn't really come across as scary to me. And I'm not gonna lie, I think that they could have done way better with the Scarecrow's design. Admittedly a unique angle on the costume, however it lacks on the fear factor, which is very problematic for Scarecrow. Now as far as I'm aware, the Scarecrow in Season 4 will be a primary antagonist, and will most likely only be a main villain for his own story arc, in a similar fashion to how they used Jerome through each season. Admittedly, I don't watch too much of Gotham, I'll only jump in every now and then, but it is pretty cool that we will finally get to see the Scarecrow make his triumphant return. So are you glad that we're finally going to get the Scarecrow come back for Season 4? Comment below and share some thoughts, and as always, thank you guys for watching this video, please like and subscribe. Take care and have a good one.